Hello, Quincy. Mayor Tom Koch here with our COVID-19 update on this beautiful day. Just came in from a walk through the square and seeing some of the restaurants getting prepared for outdoor seating and dining tonight in Quincy Center. So please check in with your restaurant and be supportive. These folks are trying to make a go of it, keeping their employees busy and making some money so they can pay their bills. So if you get a chance, please patronize one of the spots in Quincy. Today's numbers are very, very good. So we only have 34 active cases right now in Quincy. So over time, we've had well over 1,000 have recovered, and those numbers are good. The deaths have stood at the same, but 126. Again, we are sorry for the families that have been greatly affected by this terrible pandemic, many of them in nursing homes and all. So our hearts continue to be with them, but we're all looking forward to getting this completely behind us, but we've got to continue to be smart going forward. Now, we've got to make a lot of decisions as a city and what we're doing. As you know, we've opened up City Hall, we've opened up most public offices. There's some other areas that were questioning whether we could pull it off. One of them was the Quincy Recreation programs that we have each summer. And joining me today is Michelle Hanley, who is the Director of Recreation in our Department of Natural Resources. Michelle's been with the department a long time. She was down there when I was at the Park Department. So Michelle, I know that you guys have been working hard trying to figure out how can we make this work for our kids, because they miss school for a few months. They're looking for some wholesome activities and working within the guidelines. What did you guys come up with?
Yes, Mayor, we have, and with your support and the support of Dave Murphy, the Commissioner of Natural Resources, and of course Ruth Jones, the Commissioner of Public Health, we have combed through the guidelines that the state has sent out over the past few weeks for phase 2 of reopening, and we are able to, we're very happy to announce that we are going to be able to hold our programs this summer.
In the same format?
With a few adjustments.
Okay.
A few adjustments. If you're out at a playground right now, you will notice hand washing stations.
Yep.
That we're asking any patron to the local parks right now to wash their hands upon arrival and before they leave. So we've got some adjustments for
But traditionally,
washing.
those playgrounds throughout the city that are staffed will be staffed this summer.
They will absolutely be staffed
What's
this
the
summer.
program itself? Will that change at all, the activities?
Certain activities will need to be modified.
Okay.
In order to maintain social distancing and the max numbers. So at one of our free public playgrounds, which we're one of the only departments in the state still able to provide such a great resource for our community, you'll see group games of 10 or less.
Yep. Okay.
So we're adjusting the staffing numbers at some of the more popular locations so that we could have one group of kids playing wiffle ball, one group of kids out in the field playing kickball, one at the basketball court, one on the playground. So we could,
and I know parents
easily,
are looking forward to this because it's been tough on them with kids being home with school.
Our
What about
staff
the
is looking
camps?
forward to
I know
it.
we also do some, we pay, we charge minimally, but we also traditionally do camps in the various sports. Are those on as well?
Yes, yes, they are, and you're right. We do love to provide low cost and no cost options for our residents here in Quincy. We will be holding girls basketball, boys basketball, volleyball, boys lacrosse, girls lacrosse, 10 weeks of tennis this summer, arts and crafts, dance, cheerleading, all with some minimum modifications. But
so if people are interested in the camps or any questions, what's the best phone number? What's the best way for them to contact you?
Our website is quincyrec.com, and
Say that
it's
again?
being quincyrec.com, sure, www.quincyrecrec.com, quincyrec.com, and it's being updated as we speak and continuously. Registration.
And if they want to get somebody on the phone, they call the general number? Or?
Absolutely. 617-376-1394 is the number for the main office of the Recreation Department.
And generally the minimum age for a kid in the playground to be involved in activities, what's the?
Age 6.
Age 6.
Age
So
6.
6
And the clinics start entering kindergarten and up.
And the camps, I know we have backup facilities with the schools potentially when there's a bad weather day.
We do. We do. We have rain sites through Quincy Public Schools, and the basketball and volleyball camp will be held indoor at North Quincy High School.
Excellent. Great work. Thanks, Michelle.
Thank
I know you've
you.
been at it a long time at Quincy
Thank
Rec.
you. Thank
you've
you.
learned from one of the best.
I really have. Barry Welch is a fabulous
Did he
mentor.
come up with the Don't Hesitate Recreate? Who came up with
I'm
that?
not sure, but we definitely use it at our office. We have a hat. I think we have it on our stationery.
Well, you gave me
We
my
have it
hoodie
everywhere.
on Sunday for our adjusted Flag Day ceremony, so he's in a good place with me. He
sure
knows how to
did.
get to me.
He sure
Well,
did.
He does it every time.
He said, it's not Flag Day without the hoodsies. Let's go get them. Mayor, I'd love to just mention the Prevention First programming
Sure.
that will continue this summer as well, which is an initiative that you had started for the middle school age children.
Which Fox Rock has been a sponsor of.
Absolutely.
As well as our own Laura Martin and crew. Yeah.
Absolutely, and we will, under these guidelines, we're so happy that we will be at 3 locations
Beautiful.
in the city this summer.
And all of
in
this
the
is on the
evening.
website. They
All
can get
on the
all of it on the
website.
website, all the information.
Absolutely.
So folks, tune in on the website, make a phone call if you need to talk to somebody in person. You got to get out and see the parks because many of you haven't seen the new tot lots, new courts that have been done all over. We got some great, beautiful park settings. So this is great news for the families of our city. Thank you, Michelle. My best to Commissioner Murphy.
Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in, folks. Till next time, God bless.